$67,492. That is how much I made in the past 4 days from this Manychat automation. Now, if you're not in the loop, Instagram dropped a massive new update last week that basically allows you to be able to automatically message every single new follower that you get by using Manychat. And since the day that this update dropped, my team and I have tested 17 different variations of this automation, and within that testing we found one clear winner that easily led to the most amount of emails collected, the most booked calls, and most importantly, the most sales. So in this video, I will give you a copy and paste template of this winning automation that I've been using and walk you through exactly how to set it up for you and your business. Now, I do want to set the correct expectation for the video. This is not going to be entertaining, regardless of what gloves I'm wearing. Neither will it be highly edited or anything of such. It will just be a maximum of 15 minutes that are highly tactical information on how you can substantially increase your revenue with this automation. And assuming that you finish this video, you will walk away with the fully set up automation that will get you qualified leads and booked calls on autopilot as soon as today. And all it takes is for you to lock in for the next 15 minutes. Now, if you do not know me, my name is Devin Jatho. I make multiple 7 figures entirely from organic content, and I help online business owners do the same inside of my high-level program, Nexus, which, if you make at least 20K per month, you can learn more about within the first link in the description. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the obvious first step to set up this automation is going to be to open up the software that you're doing, which is Manychat. However, the not so obvious next step is how you turn on this automation. The absolute worst thing that you can do is try to build your new follower automation in the default builder that Manychat will give you, which looks like this, what's on the screen here. The main reason being is that if you set it up through this builder or this way, you're basically just neutering your automation and lighting your money on fire because you want to be able to have access to 90% of the features that you need. I'm talking about features like A/B testing, voice notes, auto follow-ups, smart delays, email gates, all of the shit that's going to make the automation I'm about to give you so damn good in the first place. Now, if your automation is already in the advanced view, which is what we're going to set up now, like what's on the screen, then you can go and skip to the timestamp that is shown on the screen right here. However, if your automation does not look like this, or if you haven't set your automation up yet, then what you need to do is you need to follow these next steps closely. All right, so to start, go ahead and log into your Manychat account, and then on the bottom left-hand side, click on where it says Settings. Once you're inside the settings, then feel free to go and click on Instagram. And then from here, you'll see the third option down that says say hi to new followers. Once you click on that, now you'll see an option that basically just says setup. So go ahead and click on that bad boy. And then it may ask you to refresh your Instagram permissions. If it does, then just follow the steps that you're prompted with. And if it doesn't, then you're good to go. Either way, you'll end up on a page that looks like this. However, you do not, and I repeat, you do not want to set up your message on this basic builder. Remember how we talked about the basic builder basically makes it to where you can't use 90% of the functions that we need. So what you want to do is on the left-hand side where you see the text box that says write to message, just type in literally anything, could just be WASD. And then at the top right, click on go live, and then immediately you'll be greeted with the 3 dots, click on the 3 dots, and then you'll see the magic button that says switch to flow builder. Now you're almost ready to rock. All you have to do now is just turn off the basic automation, that way it just doesn't fire, and we want to use the advanced automation. So just click on the initial trigger message, and then from there, click on the little blue toggle button that you'll see here. And then finally, you can now create your automation. However, you will not have to build it from scratch because if you look at the third link in the description, it'll open you up to this template for you just to copy and paste. You're welcome. So now we are in business, so let's go ahead and set up this bad boy live. All right, so just in case you don't know how to copy over the flow, basically whenever you click on the link in the description, you'll see this page. From there, just go and click on Save to Manychat. Click Save Flow on your Manychat account, and then after that's done, click on View Flow, and then you'll be right here to where you can basically just go and edit the flow that we have built for you. So let me go ahead and take off these dumbass gloves, and we'll go ahead and start building the flow. All right, so once you have this beautiful flow copied over onto your own Manychat, then here's what we're gonna do. So it might look a little bit overwhelming at first. Basically, everything that has like this little white background is an actual message, and then everything in yellow, don't worry about that. And it makes it look a lot more confusing than it is. It's just basically notes that we put on this overall flow. That way we can walk you through how to use the template effectively. So what we'll do is I'll walk you through each individual message step by step, starting from the top and then going all the way down to the last message. That way you can understand exactly what needs to be changed, what words you need to swap, and overall how this flow works, that way you can run it effectively. So let's go and start with the first message, which is going to be, hey first name, I saw that you followed and I wanted to congratulate you on that decision with a free welcome gift. It's a freebie that will get you an outcome, the outcome that they want, that you can drive. So if you want it, you don't say you want it, but so if they want it, tap this button and I'll send them to you instantly. Now, whenever you look at the overall notes, this will kind of give you direction on exactly what you need to change. So if you see at the top here, we left a note at the top of each one of these messages, basically telling you what in brackets you need to swap out. So for example, for freebie, swap that out with the name of your freebie. So for example, my freebie is called 3 viral video templates that we give whenever someone follows me on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, highly recommend that you go do so to get this said freebie. And then it gets you this outcome. So it's 3 viral video templates that get the outcome that I drive. That I guarantee will get you the most viewed videos you've ever had. And then from there, below that, it just says tap this button and I'll send them to you instantly. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. They tap the button and then you can move on to the next message. And then after they click on send it, we'll go ahead and tag them with the fact that they are a new follower lead. And then we'll go ahead and run them through a condition based upon do we have their email or not. So what this will do is it'll basically figure out, have you grabbed their email in the past? Like say, for example, they commented on one of your videos and asked for a freebie and you asked for the email. Awesome. If you already have that set email, there's no reason for you to ask for it again. So if we already have it, we'll go ahead and just send them over the freebie. However, if you do not have their email, then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and send them over this message telling them that we need their set email. So this message will say something like, will do, all I need is your email so that I can grant you access to your freebie. Now by entering your email below, you give us permission to send your freebie and some extra gifts. Now the reason for the bottom message is just to make sure that overall you're staying compliant, because if you plan on sending them emails and adding them to your email list after they give you their email, then you have to let them know that you're gonna be sending them emails in the future. You can't just say, hey, give me your email for this freebie, and then that's it. You have to let them know that you're gonna send them emails in the future, which is going to be important for compliance on Manychat. Either way, as soon as they reply with their email, then what you can do is basically go ahead and send them over to the next step, which is giving them the freebie. However, if they basically said, hey, I want this freebie, you ask for the email, and then they don't respond, then we're going to ask for their email again by saying, hey, do you even want this freebie? So assuming that the contact has not responded, you'll go ahead and automatically send over a message. I believe, let's see if we look here. So if you look here, you'll automatically send them a message in 10 minutes if they do not we'll give you their email. In 10 minutes, we're going to automatically send them a message saying, did you actually still want me to send over your freebie? If they say yes, send it, then we'll go ahead and reroute them back to the initial question of saying, will do, all I need is your email. Then from there, once they give you their email, we can go and start actually delivering the said freebie. So as soon as you get to their email, you can go and send them this. As promised, here is your gift. Just click here for instant access to your freebie. And then from there, there'll be a button below that basically says your freebie. So to give you an example of what that would look like in practice, it would be something like, just click here for instant access to your 3 viral video templates. And then below, you'll see the button that says your 3 viral video templates. Now from that, all you have to do is just go ahead and replace this with the link to your freebie. So just copy and paste the link to your freebie, whether it's on Notion, Canva, etc. And then as soon as they click on that link, we'll go ahead and tag them with the fact that they are a new follower that clicked on the link to the freebie. And then after we send over the freebie, 3 seconds later, we'll say, now, remember, these only work if you do. And then another 3 seconds later, we'll say, I might check back with you to see how they perform for you. And what this does is it creates the open loop of basically in their mind, it won't be weird for you to follow back up with them, because you don't want to just give them the freebie and that be that. You want to give them the freebie and then try to see if we can qualify them for the overall offer and book them in for a sales call. Now to give you another example again, basically all you have to do is swap out the freebie, the resource name, and overall the linked resource. So to give you an example of what I would actually say, just click here for instant access to your viral video templates. And that would be what we swap out for the freebie, because that's the freebie that we give. And then for the button overall, I just say your freebie. So your 3 viral videos. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bam, you're good to go. And then an hour after you send this message, you'll set up a smart delay to where an hour after you send that message, you'll go ahead and create a condition to where if they have clicked the link, we'll send them this message. If they have not clicked the link, we'll send them this message. So I'll start with the message that we send if they don't click the link. So whenever they don't click the link and they haven't opened up your freebie yet, we want them to open it because it's going to increase time on brand and also create some sort of reciprocity and prove that you can solve problems within your said freebie. Overall, it is important that they actually open up the freebie. That's why we tagged them previously to see if they actually did open up the freebie or not. So if they have not, we'll go ahead and send them this message. Hey, first name, did you still want your free resource? And then you're gonna add a button below that basically says yes. They're gonna click on the yes, and then from there, you're just gonna go back to saying, here you go. Just click the link below for instant access. And then from there, after 30 minutes that we send this message, we'll go ahead and follow back up with the message. If we come up to this message, you'll notice that it's a little different than all of the other messages. If there's anything such as like a Manychat cheat code, this is it. So what we found is whenever it comes down to just overall response rates, sending a voice note is going to be better than just sending a message. However, what's even better than sending a voice note is a voice note and a message, and that increases response rates substantially. So what you're going to do is, if you look here, you have the voice note and then you have the message. They're practically the same. They're practically going to say the exact same thing. So the structure that you're going to go through is going to be, hey, first name. In the voice note, don't say first name, obviously. You got to say, I say brother just because majority of my audience is male. However, you can say, hey, what's going on, man? I guess that would be male. Hey, what's going on? I saw that you got whatever your resource is. I might have a few other things that could be even more valuable to you depending on your situation. And then from there, you go ahead and open up with your qualifying question. So to give you a couple examples of what a qualifying question could be, let's say you're a fitness coach. You would say, hey, first name, saw that you got the 6-pack in 6 months checklist. I might have a few other things that could be even more valuable to you depending on your situation. What would you say is your biggest fitness goal right now? Or let's say if you're a sales coach, you say all of that and you're going to give away some sort of objection handling playbook or whatever the case might be. You say, I might have a few other things that could be even more valuable to you depending on your situation. Are you trying to get into sales right now? Or are you already closing on an offer? Or if you're a real estate agent, I might have a few things that could be more valuable to you depending on your situation. Have you already made any real estate investments, or are you wanting to learn how to do it for the first time? And all this is going to do is it's going to create a conversation with the prospect or with the new follower. And you want to make sure that you open with the overall qualifying question, meaning that this question is going to move the conversation forward. You do not want them answering something that you don't care about. You want them answering, are they going to be a good prospect or not? So for me, for example, I ask, what do I ask? Hold on, I have the voice now right here. Let's play it. All right, I couldn't get to play. Basically, I just asked something oriented around, are you new to business or in a position to scale? And if they're new to business, we kind of know, all right, cool. Maybe they qualify for like our $97 product, which is File Flow. Or maybe we just send them extra YouTube videos and just give them some free education. However, if they're in a position to scale their business and they make over 20K per month, then we know internally that that is a prospect that possibly could be a good fit for Nexus. And in that starts the conversation as, okay, this person has a business, number one, and number two, they are in a position to scale, which means they are now overall somewhat qualified. And then from there, we'll just go and continue the qualifying process from there. But just whatever your opening qualifier question is that you feel as if it's going to be most beneficial and give you the most context to see if you can help this person or not, that's what you ask in this last line. And then from there, once they answer that said qualifying question, you can go ahead and sit there and basically just keep qualifying them. Now, if you want, you can definitely tag them by saying, if you use Manychat as like a CRM, you can tag them by saying, hot lead, somebody respond. But overall, if you just have a setter in the DMs, or if you're in the DMs yourself, you'll see the messages come through. Then from there, you just reply to them. And again, you qualify them. Once you basically replace all of the like freebies and all of the buttons, and you basically just make this flow fitting towards your offer. So the problem is that whenever it comes down to Manychat only allows one like flow to have the trigger of whenever someone follows you, send them this automated message. So what we need to do is we need to copy this entire flow, then paste it into the Manychat automation that I had you guys set up earlier in the advanced view. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna hover over this entire flow, press Shift, and then just drag. Once you do that, click on Command C. And once you do that, go ahead and go back to the initial flow that we initially set up with the new follower automation. So if you look here, you'll see you just basically want to find the flow that says user follows your account. Once you're here, all you need to do is go ahead and copy and paste in the flow that we just built. So I'll copy and paste it over here, that way I don't screw up. I know the researchers are testing 3 different variations of the flow that we're running through today. so I don't want to screw up their test. But what you do whenever you copy it over, obviously it'll be blank for you. You can just go ahead and I'm just going to delete this for the sake of the video. Drag this over to the new flow. Cool. Then what you do is you just connect this flow or this trigger to the first message. And then next thing you know, bada bing, bada boom, bada bam, your automation is now set up. Now that said, as good as this flow is whenever it comes down to converting new followers, which it's fucking good, obviously you need to be able to get consistent followers on a, well, you need to be able to get new followers on a consistent basis for it to be effective. So from here, you have 1 to 2 options. Option number 1 is going to be that you just want to keep binging some free content. And if that's the case, then I would suggest that you click on the video at the, at the top right here. Or option number 2, if you're the type of person who doesn't want to waste time going through all of the trial and error by yourself, just more so just wants a proven system for you to follow, then feel free to go and click on the first link below about what Nexus could look like implemented inside of your business.